Taking a screenshot on a Mac is simple and can be done in several ways depending on what you want to capture. One of the most common methods is using a keyboard shortcut. So that is going to allow you to quickly capture the entire screen, a selected portion or a specific window. To capture the entire screen, you're going to press Command, Shift, and the number 3 at the same time. This is going to instantly take a screenshot of everything visible on your screen and save it as a file on your desktop by default. If you want to capture only a specific portion of the screen, press Command, Shift, and number 4. This is going to change the cursor to a crosshair, and you can click and drag to select the area that you want to capture. Once you release the mouse, the screenshot is taken and saved automatically. For capturing a specific window, press Command, Shift, and the number 4, followed by the Spacebar. The cursor will change to a camera icon, and you can click on the window that you want to capture. The screenshot will again be saved to your desktop. You can also use the screenshot app on your newer versions of Mac OS, accessed by pressing Command, Shift, and 5, which gives you more options, including screen recording.